Hello students, welcome to Shivjyoti Educational Group Kota. This is Jigyasha Prajapati presenting here class 4 Computer Science video lectures of chapter 4 Windows 7. Students, in the previous video of this chapter, we have learned the elements of the desktop, how to change the wallpaper and how to set the screen saver. Today, we are going to cover up these topics: changing the date and time, applying a theme on Windows, adjusting sound and working with multiple windows. So, students, open chapter 4 in your computer book 8 page number 32. Let's move with the first topic, changing the date and time. Students, you can easily change your system's date and time by follow some steps. The extreme right of the taskbar shows the date and time. Students, you can see the date and time at the extreme right position on the taskbar. The steps of changing the date and time are as follows. First step is click the date and time on the extreme right of the taskbar. Students, you just have to click on the date and time on the taskbar, which is appear on the extreme right position. Next step, a screen appears. Click the change date and time setting. Students, when you click on the date and time, then this screen will appear on your screen. In this window, you have to click on change date and time settings. Okay, this is the option where you have to click. In the next step, another date and time window appears on your screen. In the window, click the change date and time button. Okay, again you have to click on the change date and time button. Next, the date and time settings window appears on your screen. This is your date and time settings window. Here, select the required date and time. Students, here you can set the date and here you can change the time. Okay, using the mouse you can change the date of your choice, or you can change the time here, hours, minutes, seconds and PM and AM using these drop down buttons. Okay, after reset the time you can click OK button and your date and time will be resetted in your computer. Click OK to make changes. Okay, so this is the steps to change the date and time in your computer system. Now we will move to our next topic, which is applying a theme on Windows. Students, the term theme refers to the style and appearance of the windows. It means you can change the style and appearance of your desktop screen by changing the theme of the computer. The steps to change the theme of Windows are as follows. First step, right click on the desktop screen. Student, you just have to right click on your blank desktop screen, then a drop down menu appears on your screen. Next step, click the personalize option. You have to click on the personalize option, then click on any theme to select it. Students, when you click on the personalize option, then a personalized window will appear on your screen, and in this window you have to choose a theme of your choice by clicking using the mouse. The theme gets applied on the computer. Once you have choose your theme, then that themes will get applied on your computer. Let's see. This is your personalization window, which is appear when you click on the personalize option. Here you can choose anything using your mouse. Okay, just click on anything and then that theme gets applied on your computer, or we can say on your desktop screen. Now our next topic, adjusting sound. Students, you can adjust the system sound to listen music files, audio files or any video files. To adjust the sound, follow these steps. First step is click the speakers symbol. See student, this is your speaker symbol available in the system tray. This system tray is available, or we can say present on the extreme right on the taskbar. Next, a slider appears on the desktop. When you click on the speaker symbol, then this slider, this is the slider which appear on your screen. Move the sliders up and down direction. Students, you have to move this slider in up and down direction to increase and decrease the sound. We will see the practical of this slider. Our next topic, working with multiple windows. Students, in our computer we can work on the multiple windows at the same time. On the computer you can open multiple program windows to work. It means you can play games and you can type any text in the MS Word. But you can work in a single windows at a time. Students, आप मल्टीपल विंडोज ओपन तो कर सकते हैं बट यू कैन वर्क ओनली ऑन सिंगल विंडो. आप सिर्फ एक ही प्रोग्राम पर एक ही विंडो पे वर्क कर सकते हैं. सो यू नीड टू स्विच अमंग दैम. जब आपके सामने मल्टीपल विंडोज ओपन होती हैं इन द कंप्यूटर, देन यू हैव टू स्विच ऑन दैम. टू स्विच यू कैन क्लिक द टैब ऑफ करेस्पॉन्डिंग विंडो. आपको स्विच करने के लिए पर्टिकुलर विंडो के टैब पर क्लिक करना होता है. द टैब्स ऑफ एक्टिवेटेड प्रोग्राम्स आर अवेलेबल ऑन द टास्क बार. Students, here you can see this is your taskbar of computer, or you can say of the desktop screen. This taskbar appear on your desktop screen in the bottom direction. Okay, here you can see different program icon, folder icon, Windows Media Player, browser, Firefox browser and the MS Paint. And here you can see this folder icon, Firefox browser and MS Paint icon has been highlighted because these are the activated program of your computer. Okay, and to switch among these activated program you can use the Control plus Tab keys. Okay, by using the Control plus Tab keys you can switch in the activated programs. Each window contains common 3 buttons as shown in the following window. Here you can see this is the window of MS Paint and here we have 3 buttons. Okay, these 3 buttons always appear on any program window. These buttons are minimize button, maximize button and the close button. Now students, we will see the practical of these topic one by one. Students, here you can see this is your desktop screen of the computer. Here we can see this is your taskbar and here we have some icons. Okay, this taskbar always appear on the bottom position of your desktop screen. Here we have start button and here we have system tray which is placed on the extreme right of your taskbar, and on the taskbar we have this is your date and time and we have your speaker icon. Okay, first we will set the date and time of the system. So we have to click on this date and time, then this date and time window will appear on your screen. Here we have to choose or we have to click the option change date and time settings. When you click on this, then date and time window will appear on your screen. Here again you have to click on the change date and time button. This is your change date and time button. Just click on it, and when you click on it, here you can see this is the date and time settings dialog box. In this date and time settings dialog box you have to reset the date. You can reset the date or you can reset your time. Here you can choose any date of your choice by using the mouse, and this is the time box. Here you can, using the drop down buttons, you can change the time. Okay, hours, minutes, seconds, and here we have AM and PM. Okay, then click OK button, then your date and time has been resetted in your computer. Okay, now we will see our next practical. Our next practical is change the theme of the computer. For this we just have to right click on the desktop screen. We have already right clicked, and here you can see a drop down menu. In the drop down menu you have to click on the personalized option, and when you click on the personalized option, this is a personalization window. Okay, here you can see different themes available. Using the scroll bar you can see different themes. We have arrow themes, Windows 7 architecture, nature, United States. Click on any theme. We have click on the United States themes, then the United States themes has been applied on your desktop screen. You can see the style and appearance of the desktop has been changed here. Okay, now again choose the Windows 7 theme, click on it and close the personalization window, and this is again we have come back to our previous theme of the desktop. Now we will see our another practical, which is adjusting sound of the computer. For this we have to click on the speaker icon. When you click on the speaker icon, then this slider appear on your desktop screen. When you move the slider in the up direction, then the sound of your system will be increased, and when you move down your slider, then the sound of your system will be decreased. Okay, So this is the way to adjust the sound in the computer. Now we will see different activated program, MS Pen program, Firefox browser and folder icon. This is your Firefox browser activated, which is activated on your computer. Next we have MS Paint window, and here we have 3 buttons: minimize button, maximize button and the close button. Press on the minimize button. Students, to switch among the activated programs, you have to use a shortcut key, which is Alt plus Tab. Okay, we can see the Alt plus Tab key on your keyboard. See students, this is your Alt key and this is your Tab key. We just have to press Alt plus Tab key together. Then you can switch among the activated programs on your computer. Okay students, now we will see the practical of Alt plus Tab key here. When we press Alt plus Tab key, then you can see the activated windows on your computer screen. These are the activated windows which are activated on your computer. Just select any screen, then that screen will be appear on your desktop. So student, this is the practical of topics that we have seen in this video. Students, I hope you have understood this chapter. Now in the next video of this chapter, we will discuss the book work and the copy work of this chapter. Thank you students, have a nice day.